Good morning, good evening, guys. We're talking about this video. It's your boy Bruce. Today I got invited to a car meet about near my house in my city. So what we're gonna do is we're not gonna hop in the truck. We're gonna take the RSX today, Supercar Killer. So I'm gonna go there, see some cars, see who's there, chill a little bit, talk a little bit. First I gotta meet up with my friend, and then we're gonna get down to business. I'll see you guys when we get there. Peace.
Yeah, I didn't think about that.
Right? Alright guys, made it to the meet. Doing a little lap around, see what's here. You behind me? I see your ass. We got the bronze wheels on the Civic. Okay. Let's see what else we got. Honda. Bro, that's new. I never see this before. Mazda Speed 6 with Lambo doors. Don't mind the music in the background. Wrap red. That's cool. What type R, my friend?
Earlier they just shit about coming in.
Ooh, why?
Because it's mostly racer cars.
Oh.
They always make.
Man, it's whatever, dude. We got the RSX red with the Recaro seats inside. That's legit seats too. Speaker system in the back. Stance out. Pretty cool. You know what I'm saying? It's cool meat. It's a little chill meat. And we got the RSX right here, guys, in black. 04, 05. That's good. That's the here. We got here right here. We got that with the gold wrap, dude. He got the heat wrap on the intake, dog. GTR lovers for you right there. Evo. What's that, a R33-ish? I don't know, maybe. Is that a Supra? It's a Supra, dog. You shut your whore mouth. Shut your whore mouth, joking. Got the scats. Made it here. RSX here. Supercar Killer coming soon. Stay tuned for that. I'm gonna tell you guys at the end of the video what's gonna happen. We got my boy Pestilence right here. Big P dog. You know what I'm saying? Listen, look, we got carbon fiber. See what I'm saying? With the hood vents next to the Corvette, to a Challenger, Charger, and I think that's a Miata down there. But it's the row I'm stuck in right now. Just pulled up, met that guy in that red Civic right there. Pretty cool guy. You know what I'm saying? If you see this video, dog, holla at me, man. Comment down below. Right now, you know, this is the meet in Gastonia. You know what I'm saying? It's not a bad meet, you know what I'm saying? It's something, at least Gastonia's having meets, you know what I'm saying? And it's raining out. All the ones this morning like postponed themselves because of the rain, but you know, we're back in it again. So, we're gonna see some cars, y'all. We left the car meet to do donuts in the Mustang. I don't know why we're doing this, but we're doing this. You see the RSX sitting over there. So, oh shit. Whoa. We don't want to hit the ramp now. Let's not hit the ramp. I love your car the same way how I love you.
I don't know if I'm advanced track ain't as.
Holy shit! Oh, it burns out. That's it. Oh, okay, stop. Yeah. Oh, cool. Okay, that's it. Oh shit. Holy fuck. Y'all, I think your tires are warmed up.
Well, hell, they're so new. I mean, you got to put a lot of effort into doing this shit.
Holy shit. He found the sauce.
That's why I was saying like earlier, like, I wish it was still a little bit more.
Yeah, if it was still raining, it would have been better. Holy shit. Yo! Oh, bring it back! Oh, shit! Oh, I smell the tires! Oh, okay, stop. Oh, shit! Oh, fuck! Oh! That's how you drive! That's how you do it! That's how you do it right there, boy! Oh my god! Dude, oh my god. Oh.
That life.
Alright guys, sorry this video is skipping everywhere. Went from the car meet to doing donuts in my friend's Mustang. Now we're in the RSX, sitting in the parking lot. So I haven't gave you guys an outro yet. So I want to talk to you guys just a little bit of what's coming next for this build, Supercar Killer. Because right now you guys need to know that the first variant of this car is me going all motor. That's full bolt-ons, trying to see how much horsepower I can crank out the motor just by itself before I go turbo. And I have a Skunk 2 header right here. Got from my friend because he used to have an RSX. He just gave it to me. I know. I'm gathering the pieces for that, like the gaskets and the O2 sensor extensions, stuff like that. just in case when I install it, I need to know like what I need to have going underneath the car. I haven't even been underneath the car yet, but we're gonna see what's down there, and what parts I need to order. Second of all, I am looking for a intake manifold, not a RBC, but like a Skunk 2 or something that can fit like a 74 throttle body. Maybe, because they said the bigger, I might have to port it, whatever the case may be, just to see how much power I can maximize out this engine with new injectors. I don't know if I want to go with the RDX injectors or the 1000cc injectors. You guys help me out in the comments down below. That's just one of the variants of the car before I decide to go turbo, because when I go turbo, I don't know if I want to do the all-wheel drive build of it yet, or if I want to just go all out and just say whatever. But I don't know, man. Like I said before, I'm new to this platform. I just got Honda on here. I don't really want to do like a flame tune type map thing type yet, because I still have stock exhaust, and if I put the header on there, maybe I'll invest in doing a stock, you know, flame throwing tune, the Popo Burble tunes, whatever the case may be. But until then, guys, thank you guys for supporting the channel. I appreciate every single one of you guys. And with that, saying further ado, guys, your boy Bruce signing off. Have a better one. Peace.